Since Lord Sordello and Lord Bertran have divided the heart of the worthy Lord Blackus, I am no longer complaining. I shall divide the heart among many great lands. 1/4 shall have the Lombards and the Germans, and the Puglia and Russia and Frisia and the Brahmins. Let them all come to Rome to adore the Holy Heart, and let the worthy emperor have such a chapel made there, where worth may be served, and joy and solace and song. The 2/4 shall have the French with the Burgundians, Savoy and Viennois, Auvergne with the Bretons, and the worthy Poitevins, for spending pleases them. And if the cowardly English make confession there, they are not so ill-starred that later one would not find them good. For the Holy Heart is placed in a religious place, and let the king whose capital is Paris guard the good of the wretches with wisdom and with generosity, for thus he will be good. The 3/4 shall have the worthy Castilians, and let the Gascons come to adore it, and the Catalans and the Aragonese, for they have pure worth and prize it. And if the king of Navarre comes there, let him know plainly, if he's not generous and worthy, they shall not see the heart at all. For the good Castilian king will hold it in his hand, so that those who give and spend shall keep their honor, for thus his ancestors reigned with pure sovereign worth. The 4/4 we ourselves shall have, we Provençals, for if we gave it all away, it would not take much harm from it. And we shall place it at St. Gilles as in a communal place. And let the Rouagats come, and the Tolosains likewise, and those of Béziers if they wish for sovereign worth. For henceforth the counts shall have peace and heartfelt love, and each one will keep himself as I wish, to his own advantage. For a great chord that is talked about without giving is worth nothing. The head of the Holy Heart I shall send truly, there to Jerusalem where God took his birth, there to the Sultan of Cairo if only he takes baptism, and I present the head to him, but otherwise I forbid it to him. And let die of Gidelet, for he has pure worthy valor, guard well the relic against the pagan people. And if the king of Acre comes there, let him leave behind his greed for silver, and let him be generous and worthy, and guard well the precious relic.
Since God has taken the soul of Lord Blackus free, here many a worthy knight shall serve because of him.